Are you planning your big move to Canada and wondering about one of the most crucial steps, setting up your finances? Specifically, if you're eyeing BMO or the Bank of Montreal, you are probably asking, how long before I arrive in Canada can I actually open my BMO bank accounts? This is a question that weighs heavily on the minds of many future Canadians, and for good reason. Getting your banking sorted before you land can be a game changer, easing your transition and giving you peace of mind. For newcomers, whether you're coming as a permanent resident, a foreign worker, or an international student, having a Canadian bank account ready and waiting is incredibly beneficial. It allows you to transfer funds securely, move your savings from your home country to Canada before you even step foot on Canadian soil. This eliminates the need to carry large amounts of cash or deal with potentially high fees and less favorable exchange rates at currency exchange kiosks upon arrival. Avoid carrying large sums of cash. Safety is paramount. Arriving with prearranged banking means you don't have to carry a significant amount of cash, reducing the risk of loss or theft. Receive payments. If you have a job lined up, you can provide your Canadian bank details to your employer even before you start, ensuring your first paycheck goes directly into your new account. Set up essential services. From rent and utilities to phone plans, many services in Canada require a local bank account for recurring payments. Having one established early streamlines this process. Build a financial footprint. Starting your banking relationship early can lay the groundwork for building a credit history in Canada, which is crucial for everything from renting an apartment to getting a credit card or even a mortgage down the line. So, let's get down to the brass tacks. How long before you arrive in Canada can you open your BMO bank accounts? The excellent news is that BMO allows eligible newcomers to open a Canadian bank account up to 12 months before their expected arrival date in Canada. That's a full year. This generous window gives you ample time to get your financial ducks in a row, even as you're in the midst of your immigration application process, planning your move, and saying your goodbyes. This 12-month pre-arrival window is a significant advantage. It means you don't have to wait until the last minute, rushing to open an account amidst all the other pre-departure tasks. You can tackle this important item well in advance, reducing stress and ensuring a smoother transition. Who is eligible to open a BMO account before arriving in Canada? BMO's pre-arrival banking services are specifically designed for individuals coming to Canada under certain immigration statuses. Generally, you'll need to be coming to Canada as a permanent resident, coming to Canada as a foreign worker, coming to Canada as an international student. In addition to your immigration status, there are a few other general requirements. You must be 14 years of age or older. You must be opening an account for yourself, not for a friend or family member. As mentioned, your expected arrival date in Canada must be within 12 months of your application date. You might also need to be a resident of one of the eligible countries that BMO specifies for instant online processing. While this list can change, historically it has included countries like India, China, the Philippines, Pakistan, and others. If your country isn't on the instant processing list, you might still be able to open an account, but the process might involve more traditional methods, such as mailing documents. What's the process for opening a BMO account before you arrive? BMO has streamlined its process to make it as convenient as possible for newcomers. While the exact steps might vary slightly depending on your country of residence and immigration stream, here's a general outline of what you can expect. Online application. For many eligible individuals from specific countries, BMO offers an online application portal. This allows you to complete a significant portion of the process from the comfort of your home country. You'll fill out personal information, provide details about your immigration status, and indicate your expected arrival date. Required documents. Even for online applications, you'll need to provide certain documents to verify your identity and immigration status. These typically include your valid, unexpired passport, your immigration documents, proof of your current address in your home country, expected Canadian address, if known, choosing a home branch, initial funding, optional, but recommended once your account is provisionally opened. BMO allows you to wire transfer funds up to a certain limit, for example, up to $75,000 CAD to your new Canadian account before you arrive. This is a huge benefit, as it means your funds are already in Canada, converted to Canadian dollars, and ready for you to access. Activation upon arrival. This is a crucial step. While you can open the account and transfer funds remotely, your account will likely be in a frozen or pre-activated state. To fully activate your account, get your debit card, and access all banking services, you will need to visit a BMO branch in Canada in person. What kind of accounts can you open with BMO's New Start program? BMO's New Start program is designed to cater to the initial banking needs of newcomers. You can typically open a checking account. This is your everyday transaction account, suitable for paying bills, making purchases with your debit card, and receiving direct deposits like your salary. BMO often offers special newcomer benefits for a period, such as no monthly fees for the first year. For international students, they typically open a practical plan checking account initially, which then converts to a student plan checking account upon activation, offering no monthly plan fees while you're in school and for up to a year after graduation. A savings account. This account is ideal for setting aside funds and earning interest. Guaranteed Investment Certificate, GIC. For international students, if you are an international student, BMO can help you set up a GIC as part of your study permit application. This proves you have sufficient funds to support yourself while studying in Canada. BMO's program allows you to open the GIC and get the certificate before you arrive, which is essential for your study permit. Benefits of BMO's New Start program for newcomers. Beyond the ability to open an account early, BMO's New Start program often comes with a suite of benefits designed to support newcomers. No monthly fee banking for a period. No fee BMO global money transfers. Access to credit cards with no Canadian credit history required. Guidance and support. Online and mobile banking. In conclusion, the ability to open a BMO bank account up to a year before your arrival in Canada is a fantastic opportunity for future immigrants, foreign workers, and international students. It's a proactive step that can significantly reduce stress, ensure your funds are accessible, and help you get a head start on your financial journey in your new home. By taking advantage of BMO's New Start program, you can focus on the excitement of your new life in Canada, knowing that your banking is already in order. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.